Hold on to your hats, tech enthusiasts. Brace yourselves for the imminent launch of Honor's latest masterpiece, the HONOR X8b. This hot new gadget is following in the electrifying footsteps of its predecessor, the HONOR X9b, which recently took the UAE by storm. Guess what? The X8b has just popped up on Singapore's AMDA certification website bearing the model number LLYLX2. We might not have all the juicy details just yet, but you can bet your bottom dollar that more secrets will spill as it hits other certification platforms. And that's not all, folks. The HONOR X9b is gearing up for a grand entrance into the Indian market, as it's been spotted flexing its certification muscles on the BIS database. Brace yourselves, India. HONOR is making its comeback, and it's bringing the X9b to steal the show. Now let me hit you with the lightning round of the X9b's specs. Picture this. A colossal 6.78-inch AMOLED LED display with a mind-blowing 1.5K resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate that'll make your eyes pop. Under the hood, it's rocking the Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC and the Adreno 710 GPU, dancing to the beats of Magico's 7.2 on the latest Android 13 track. But wait, there's more. Choose between an 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage combo, or go all out with a 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage powerhouse. Cameras? Oh, we've got a 108MP primary camera, a 5MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro magic maker. And don't even get me started on that 16MP selfie snapper. Last but not least, the X9b packs a punch with a 5800 mAh battery, juiced up with 35 DOU wired fast charging. Stay tuned, because Honor is about to drop the X8b bomb, and it's going to be explosive.